based on the construction of the vehicle, it classified into two major category, like a body on construction and a monocoque construction. Okay. So body on constructions, the vehicle, the complete upper body and the closure systems are integrated or pinned with the underbody structures with the help of some ladder platform. Okay, this one, okay, we used to call it as a ladder platform. These frames we used to call it as a ladder kind of frames. Okay, this is made up of some extruded channels, and these are welded. These extruded channels are bolted, and the complete underbody system will be bolted into this structure. Whereas in the monocoque construction, okay, the underbody, it is completely a stamped parts, just like upper body system. All the upper body and the underbody are welding together, okay, in order to make the complete BIW structural assembly. Okay, the major advantages of this body on construction frame is, okay, it will be used for the rough terrains like desert area, forest area, hills area, in order to pull the high load, in order to carry the high load, in order to withstand the much load energy from the roads. Okay, this construction will be really helpful. Okay, and it will be yeah. For example, flexible this one. Okay, so based on the platform structure, the rear body, we can construct it as much as we want. Okay, major disadvantages of the body on frame construction is weight. Okay, this integrated structure, this extruded beams weight will be too high compared to this monocoque structure. Okay, and it will be used for the heavy platform. That means a load body we will use for the body on construction. And if we want the light weight platform, that will be used in the that can be achieved through the monocoque structure, because it is made up of thin stamped parts. Okay, so it will be mostly used for the city cars, okay, which required high mileage. Okay, in order to achieve the high mileage, okay, we have to make our body construction with the low mass. Okay, so that can be achieved through the lightweight stamped parts.